welcome to my YouTube channel. You can tell just by looking at it. The CHR was supposed to be a Scion, right up until Toyota put the brand out of its misery. Like the rest of the survivors, it found asylum in Toyota, but it remains firmly a child of two worlds. As a result, it's completely unsure of what it wants to be, and it shows. Start with the name. CHR stands for Coupe High Rider, and it's neither. The body sign is styled to make it look like a coupe, with all the associated packaging drawbacks. The designers attempted to hide the rear door handles up near the roofline for a cool effect, but the location is inconvenient, especially for the children of the hip millennial families Toyota hopes will buy this thing. The kids won't be able to see out of it, either, because like many a coupe, the rear side windows are tiny, up high, and way far forward of the rear seat, creating a cab-like environment in back. The interior also only comes in black, which doesn't help. It's not much of a high rider, either, being just 2 inches taller than a Yaris and only available in front-wheel drive. It has slightly less passenger space than the Yaris but a bit more cargo space. Like its rival Nissan Juke, the CHR will look cool and appeal to the kids. But without Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, the Toyota is something of a tough sell. Especially when you consider this brand new product doesn't have Toyota's latest in-tune infotainment system but rather an aftermarket-looking head unit with a similar user interface. More USB ports would help the case. It's not a techno wonder, but maybe the sporty handling could win them back. After all, it was developed on the Nürburgring.